Introducing the Yellow Jacket Vacuum Y with RealTorque Core Removal Tool. Our patent-pending design is built for pros who want faster, cleaner, and leak-free system evacuations. The Vacuum Y is available separately or in the Deluxe MaxFlow Evacuation Kit. When coupled with the Deluxe MaxFlow Evacuation Kit, users will experience up to 10 times system evacuation speeds compared to traditional methods. To use the Vacuum Y, connect the device to the service valve. One thing that's unique about the Vacuum Y is its direct connection to the system. Once connected, push in and twist the depressor counterclockwise until the core is loose, and pull back to remove the core. Close the Vacuum Y ball valve. Unscrew the CRT counterclockwise to remove the Schrader core. Connect your Yellow Jacket Y-Jack vac. Connect 1/2-inch hoses to either side of the Vacuum Y and to your Yellow Jacket Super Evac vacuum pump. Open the ball valve on the Vacuum Y and hoses, then turn on the vacuum pump to begin the system evacuation. Traditionally, it would take 2 hours to evacuate the system with a 1/4-inch hose. However, couple the 1/2-inch hoses with the Vacuum Y. It will take on average 12 minutes, saving you time and improving efficiency in the field. After the evacuation is complete, close the ball valve on the Vacuum Y and remove the vacuum gauge. Reinsert the CRT assembly with the core in place, just enough to thread it back onto the Vacuum Y. Open the ball valve, push in the shaft, and turn the CRT clockwise to engage the threads. The RealTorque technology ensures no over-torquing of the Schrader core to create a leak-free system. Once it clicks, close the ball valves on the hoses to isolate the vacuum pump, shut off the pump, and remove the hoses. You can remove the Vacuum Y, and the job is done. To learn more about the Vacuum Y and the Deluxe MaxFlow Evacuation Kit, visit the Yellow Jacket website at yellowjacket.com and to find an authorized distributor near you.